What is going on, guys? If you are new, welcome to the family. Don't mind the lights. The sun is setting and it was really bright in my face, so I had to put it down. My whole lighting is kind of, but no worries, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. Y'all, a little tongue tied. So this video, I just want to talk about the importance of being positive as far as in life and everything that you do. You want to be positive because I know it's so easy to be negative, to be discouraged, to be, you know, just negative, you know what I mean? And since I became an entrepreneur, I kind of learned more how to be positive and figured out that really being an entrepreneur is pretty much about being, you know, about personal development. You know what I mean? So before entrepreneurship and me wanting to make money online, work online, help people, I was kind of in a rut. You know what I mean? Always thinking negative, thinking, oh, this is not possible for me. I can't do this, I can't do that. Or maybe one day I'll do it. I'll just dream about it, envision it, but never take steps to get to where I want to be. So I was kind of, you know, negative minded because of what I was taught, my surroundings, things I see, you know, things that, you know, just wasn't serving me. I was always to be negative. But becoming an entrepreneur helped me realize, you know what, we all have a purpose here on this earth. It's up to us to fulfill it and find out exactly what it is. You know what I mean? But I always knew, like I said in my previous videos, if you've been watching me since day uno, I always said that I always knew that I was just meant to do more and be more. I just didn't know what, I didn't know how, but I just knew I was more than just going to school, you know, getting a job, paying bills and working. You know, I just knew I was more, you know, more than that. So being an entrepreneur helped me figure out what it is that I love to do, what's my purpose, and how to stay positive and keep a positive mindset, y'all, because it's so easy for, you know, things to happen in your life may cause you to be negative. Like you get all these bills, you got notices due, you got, you know, gotta pay this, gotta pay that, don't have enough money, your kids acting up, spouse, everything falls into you, you know, being negative and being in that negative energy. So this is why it's really, really important, y'all, to personal develop. Practice personal development, y'all. I'm not even gonna sit here and act like I got it all together, because I don't. I still need to, you know, read more books. Like I love to read books, I love to listen to audios. Go on YouTube. YouTube has a lot of free audio books you can listen to, you know, a lot of personal development stuff. In the mornings I go to YouTube, I type in morning motivation, and they got a whole bunch of great speakers and motivational speakers collab together in one video. You let that play out for about 30 minutes or so and listen to it, because it will really change your morning, the way you wake up, the way you think about life, the way you think about moving and doing certain things, and the decisions you make. You know what I mean? So it's really important to stay positive, y'all. I am all about protecting my peace. Why does I want to stay? I have an issue with that, and I don't know. I'm all about protecting my peace because I know how it used to be and how I don't want to get. You know, I used to be very, I could hold a grudge. You know what I mean? I was the type to really hold a grudge, but then I had to realize, what's the point? Why am I, you know, holding this grudge towards a person or a situation, and they probably give two shits about me. They probably didn't even think about me, you know what I mean? Just living their life. So I had to learn to let things go. Just pray to God to forgive me, forgive them, and just move forward, because there's no point of holding a grudge, y'all. I mean, I know what it's like for something to be done to you and things to happen, and you want to seek revenge. Everybody has something in their body where they feel like, yo, I want to seek revenge. You know, whether they do it or they don't, or they have the opportunity, is just leave it in God's hand, y'all, because at the end of the day, karma does come back around, and I'm starting to believe that more and more all the time. So I'm still working on myself to keep positive, to let go of things that I have no control of, you know what I mean, to let go of the past, because all that stuff is not serving me, and it's not going to serve you if you keep holding on to it. It's literally actually going to block your blessings from coming. Everything that you want and you want to do, I believe it'll block all that stuff if you keep all that stuff held in. So I'm not saying like it's easy. It's not easy. It's hard. I know I still have things I need to let go of, but I'm glad that I am learning. I'm glad that I'm using personal development to better myself as a mom, a woman, a fiance, a leader, a business owner, an entrepreneur, all that good stuff, guys. So if you are dealing with anything in your life that is really tough. Believe me, I know things can be tough. Just please try to remain positive. Find the good out of every situation. You know what I mean? That's what I started doing. If I, you know, say if I'm running for the bus or I miss it, you know, I was supposed to get on that bus, I catch the next one. Maybe the next bus may have something in store for me. You know what I mean? So try to find the good out of everything that you do in life, guys. Trust me, it will go a long way and it will benefit you, guys. So just don't overthink things, you know. Don't engage in negative conversations. Don't talk about nobody. You know, I really try not to. I don't really talk to a lot of people except people who want to, you know, connect to me about business or the products and stuff like that. But I don't engage in any negative activity, any conversation. I don't listen to people's stories no more. People want to call me like, girl, he or she. I gotta call you back. Because I don't want to hear that. I don't want that to come. Because believe it or not, energy is really strong. Energy is real. So when people call you with their issues, they putting that stuff on you. And for some, it'll affect you in some way, shape, or form without you realizing. You know what I mean? So don't listen to people's arguments and people complaining, people disbelief in you, people judge you, people always, you know, don't listen to that. Just cancel and delete and tune it out. You know what I mean? There we go. I fixed this. So yeah, guys, just be really mindful about what you listen to. Even music. I know I love me some hip hop and stuff like that, but I gotta be careful with what I listen to, because these artists ain't really speaking stuff that is gonna help me, you know, stay motivated, stay positive. There's a lot of craziness in the rap today. So I was always like a little R&B girl anyway. I like my country music, my rock music, white music, whatever you want to call it. You know, all different varieties. I love my jazz, my common. So I'm gonna get back to that, because even though I like me a good little Post Malone beat, you know what I mean, Migos and all that, but I'm gonna try to chill, because I gotta watch what I listen to and what I say, you know, guys, because your tongue is really strong. So just, you know, just be positive. I know we are in tough times. I know things are changing. It's crazy. So this is why I encourage you all to do something for you. Do something that's gonna benefit you, because the time is gonna pass anyway. So why not do something that's gonna help you get closer to where you wanna be in life? If you wanna travel the world, you know, start your business, make some money. If you wanna start your business, start that business. If you wanna save money, save money. If you wanna look good, take the steps you need to do to look good and, you know, lose weight and get healthy. You know what I mean? So time is ticking. It's already 2020, y'all. I remember when I just graduated in like 2013. It's like I remember when I was living down south. It's like everything just, time flies so freaking fast. It's unbelievable. I still can't believe I have a 1-year-old daughter right now. Like, time is crazy. So time is gonna pass anyway, y'all. So I suggest you use your time wisely. We all get the same time. It's just what you do with it. So I encourage you to stop, take a breath, and really breathe out and figure out what it is that I want. You know, what do I want out of life? What do I want? Where do I see myself in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now? Do I see myself still working at this job, being told what to do? Do I still see myself in this relationship that's toxic? Do I still see myself in this friendship that ain't really going nowhere? Do I still see myself going out clubbing, wasting money when I could be, you know, think about yourself, your life, for real, because 2020 is already here. It's already March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. It's like, it just keeps going and going. So just stay positive, y'all. And I also hope that my videos are, you know, help you guys in any kind of way, guys. I just really want to be a motivation to you all and inspiration to you all, to let you guys know that this young mom from the Bronx, New York, can make it. You know what I mean? Can make it. Born and raised in the Bronx. I wasn't born into you know, riches and all that stuff. Poverty has always been around my circle, so this is why I chose to do something different, because I want to break that curse. I do not want Kalia to be grown up going through the same thing I had to go through. Like, nobody wants to deal with that. You know what I mean? Especially now, things have changed. Everybody in my family grew up on welfare, food stamps, government checks, Section 8, all that stuff. It's like, no, I'm not gonna bring that down to her. And the thing about that is that people abuse government assistance. It was created just to help you get by, help you get on your feet to do what you need to do. People nowadays, they're living off of it. They are making a career out of government assistance. You know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, it comes in handy. I know about being on WIC food stamps and getting assistance and stuff like that. I know that. But it's different from using it as a stepping stool to help you get out of that, to get you where you need to be, or making a career out of it and staying on it for years and years and years, having a bunch of kids just so you can get more money and income. Yeah, that's what I was taught. So I don't want to do that for my daughter. I'm not going to. So this is why I'm truly thankful and grateful for TLC, because this is a vehicle that fits perfectly into my life. You know, I want to lose weight. I want to get healthy. I always been on my health journey. I want to make money. I want to help people do the same thing and repeat. Boom, all in one. And especially now that the momentum is ridiculous in TLC, y'all. It's like, it's crazy. It's so crazy how many people are joining TLC, how many people are becoming customers with TLC, how many people are falling in love with these products. You know what I mean? So I just want to spread some positivity in your life, y'all. Like I said, I hope those of you who've been consistently and faithfully watching my videos, I hope this, you know, my videos reach out to you, motivate you, inspire you to do something different. Even if you don't join me in business, I don't even care. I just want you to do something that is going to benefit you, something that's going to make you happy. That's why I try to do something at least every day that makes me happy. You know, we can take care of kids, the husband, the wife, the boyfriend, the girlfriends, but you gotta take them all for yourself. You know what I mean? Take a break for you. That's why most of my videos you'll see, I'm always outside in the park walking. I love to take walks and chill. But just find time for you. Sorry, I had a message. I had to clear it out. But just take time for you guys. You know what I mean? Don't let life always knock you down and get you, stop you in your tracks from being the best you, because I know you are an awesome and amazing person. I know you have something unique about you, and I know you have something to offer to the world and something to prove to yourself, y'all. So just go out there and, you know, just kill it. Stomp your name on this world. There was a quote I saw in the store yesterday. I forgot what the heck it was. Damn, I forgot. It was a good one too, but I forgot, y'all. But so yeah, guys, I'm still, you know, on my journey. I just ate some good today, boy. I put a picture in here for you. That thing was good. So I'm trying to keep it light, keep it healthy. I don't cook with no salt no more, even though I did put a little Old Bay in that. But I'm gonna go rack up on some Mrs. Dash and stuff because I need to chill with the salt. No health issues. It's just, I know salt, consuming a lot of salt also puts weight on you, and I don't need no more weight on me. So I'm going to rack up on the Mrs. Dash. If you know any kind of other seasonings that don't have salt in it, please drop it down below. Let me know, because I've been growing up on adobo, Larry, sazon, and all that other stuff. So I need some salt-free seasoning. So let me know. Let me know, y'all. And also, of course, if you are interested in becoming a customer, trying these products, the link will be down below. Or you can call or text the number below as well if you want to speak to me directly. And if you're ready to start making some money, y'all, get started. Also, click the link down below and call or text me so we can talk about your goals, what it is that you want to do. Now is the best time to join TLC, y'all. Seriously. My team is excited, and I'm super excited because I can't wait, y'all. And I just know my life is going to be different in the next 3 to 6 months. Yes, y'all. Super happy, super grateful for daily pay, y'all. Yesterday I made like $257 in like 2 hours. It was mind blowing, y'all, but this is why I love what I do. I love to help people. I talk to people all the time who got weight loss goals, health goals, and stuff like that, and I'm so glad that I can help. You know, all we gotta do is just talk. Call me, hit me up, and let's talk about your goals and your dreams and your weight loss goals, and I will recommend the perfect product to help you. So again, congratulations to all those people who got started on the products, y'all. Some still waiting on their products, some got them already. Sent me a picture of it, and I'm excited. And I'm just glad that I found something I'm glad that I found something that I love to do, and it's positive energy. That's the best thing that I'm really in it for, is the positive energy. Jack Fallon is awesome and amazing. TLC has the best community ever. Everything is positive, everything is happy, everything is teamwork, everything is uplifting each other. And that's what I want. And that's exactly what I was looking for. So if you're looking to be a part of a community that is awesome like TLC, go ahead and message me, and let's get you on the team. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to share that with you all. Feel free to message me about anything. I just wanted to make this video specifically on just being positive and protecting your peace. My next video will probably be another product video, just in-depth describing the products, because I know some people ask me, well, what it does, what does it do, how is it good for you? So I'm gonna break that down. So even though I do have videos on it as well, but I like to keep updating my product videos because there's always new results, there's always new testimonials, and there's always new information. So I like to keep it updated. So either way, if you want to get started, everything will be down below. And yeah, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop it down below. Do not forget to share this video with anybody you know who is looking for a way out, who's looking to make some extra money, and who's looking to stay positive and help keep their positive vibes up there. So, bye. Kelly is calling.